how to get ahead of your competition in 6 to 12 months. We're gonna get right into it, all right? Number one, you're gonna have to start out with your presentation. Presentation has to be on point. You need to look professional. Professionalism is gonna have those customers calling you again, all right? All the way down to the organization of your van or whatever industry you're in, because really it doesn't matter. And this is for all industries, okay? Presentation of yourself, clean, hygiene, and great communication. Personal skills are huge in this business. So if you're an introverted type of person, then you need to work on coming out of your closet there and start communicating with your customers and make them your friend. Because once they like you, you're in there. But one thing about people is they always like who like them. So make sure you carry on the conversation with them. Make sure you compliment them on something that you actually think is pretty cool, all right? Because then you're showing them that you actually like them as a person. You do great work, and then they're gonna go ahead and give you a call back next time they need your service, whatever that service is. Next, you need to choose your audience. Yeah, I know you're thinking they choose you. No, you choose your audience. You need to target the audience that you want to attract, all right? So we're looking for those middle, high income class level clients. Those are the ones that are going to pay you the good money. Those are the ones that got larger square foot. Those are the ones that want quality, guys. Yes, you're going to have to give quality or else they won't call you back, period. This has to do with business model in general, all right? Your business model, to reach that point to where you are actually outdoing your competition, you have to have the right business model. Next, learn how to sell, upsell, without sounding like a salesman. To me, that's a really, really important technique and strategy. And it ain't easy to do. But if you have the right business model and right system formula, it's easily done. In my business, I do a lot of upselling, and in the upselling, it doesn't sound like I'm selling anything. I'm showing them what's going on, and I'm offering a solution for that. You can literally add a quarter to half your income, double your income sometimes, if you do this properly. Next, invest in equipment that speeds up the process yet does a good job. Listen, we all start out on a budget, all right? And I recommend everybody start out in their means. We don't want to put ourselves in a situation to where we're struggling right from the beginning. So get what you need. But as you grow your business, whatever business it is, you need to upgrade. Spending money on some good equipment is very, very necessary if you want to get to that next level. Next, you want to learn how to do cost-effective advertising. Everybody wants to know how to get the phone ring, how to get customers. That's the number one question next to what equipment do I need? So figure out what the best, most cost-effective way of advertising is. There's many ways to advertise, and a lot of this advertising that's going on or being pushed out to a lot of guys in this industry, and a lot of other industries too, is really flushing money down the toilet, basically. So figure out the best way to advertise, how you can target your customers, pick your customers, pick your audience, and not spend too much money, because if you're spending a whole bunch of money and you're making a lot of money, that just deducts from the money you earn, right? So think about that too. Our overhead is huge in getting ahead of your competition. Then you must advertise. Listen, everybody wants to save a penny, all right? They don't want to advertise. They think they don't have the money to advertise. And they try to just wing it, do the whole passing out cards, going door to door. When you're first starting out, hey, that's something to do, right? And I did. But I did quickly learn, and other professionals will tell you, you need to advertise, so you're going to have to spend. But like I said before, find the best way to advertise so you're not spending too much. So I do recommend advertising, and I do recommend Google Ads. I'm not going to say too much more about that. It does need to be set up right. You need to know how to run an ad. But if you do it right, you're not spending a lot of money, and the return is great, all right? So lead generation is great for Google Ads because you are actually targeting the customer you want, instead of, and the customers that you're targeting are actually looking for your service. So, for instance, if you're advertising on Facebook, these people are not looking for a service when they're scrolling through. So you're going to get a lot of leads, and not too many of them are going to follow through. So take note to that one. Next, you definitely want to retain your customers, okay? So I did go into this earlier, but again, once you've done all this work, you got to the door, you done service for them, you need to retain those customers, right? Impression, making sure they don't forget who you are, and reaching out to them from time to time. And there's ways you can do that. This is not pushy, all right? And there's apps that can help you do that too, which I use and which help to grow my business. So retaining your customer is huge, because every year that goes by and every customer that you retain, the less and less you have to advertise, more money you make, right? I don't advertise much anymore. I do from time to time, not gonna lie, but I don't have to. I can turn it off and make a great living. But hey, we gotta go on vacation. All right, guys, if you're looking for a proven 6-figure income that first year business model, well, I actually offer that. Who would have knew? Check it out below all my videos. I mean, even if you don't check it out here, below all my videos have a link. Starting the Carpet Cleaning Business 101. It teaches you how to build your business right. Tips, tricks, and strategies to get that income up, and simplifies everything, guys. Carpet cleaning isn't rocket science. A lot of people try to make it seem that way. And a lot of people are spending a whole lot of money on solutions when it's just not necessary, all right? I'm not saying that solutions are not important. It's very, very extremely important. But a lot of people are spending way too much on solutions. And I just simplify everything for you guys and show you how to get that phone to ring, show you how to build your business, and so much more. So check that out. And if you like this type of stuff, go ahead and subscribe, because if you like it, I'm going to make some more of it. All right? I got to get up to my next job, because I don't want to get a bad reputation.